welcome to Hyatt Secrets all-inclusive resort. We are staying here for free because we used points, and the first thing they gave me was a glass of champagne. I think we're gonna like it here. Come join me. That's a yummy looking shrimp cocktail. And that is a watermelon tostada with shrimp. That looks interesting. All right, we're giving you a room tour. All right, first off, when you walk in, you've got the shower right in the middle, which is a little strange. If you're a little shy, then all you need to do is pull this curtain around and you won't have to watch the person take a shower. But I guess if you're romantical, then you can watch each other take a shower. This is a king bed, and we got a swim out tropical view, not ocean view, but quite honestly, I can see the ocean from my room. So let's show it here. This is like the best part of the whole place. Now, if you remember, we also stayed at the Hilton Playa, and that also had a swim out room. This was included in our points though. The other one wasn't, we had to upgrade. So it's not considered ocean view, but that looks close enough to me. It's really nice. I haven't gone on the water yet, but I hear it's kind of on the cooler side, which I'm fine with because it's pretty humid down here. All right, let's go check out the other side. Let's go and let's check out the bathroom. Nice little light. This is your sink area. And here is the, okay, this is really funny. This is a frosted door. We literally just had it installed in our house. And this is just a little room with their toilet. But let's go check out the mini bar. So we're told we have a martini bar. Oh, we got martini glasses, a little shaker. We have a Belvedere vodka. And then coffees are here with, it looks like these are going to be Nespresso. Wow. And a little espresso maker. And then under here are more goodies. Let's see. We have, what is this? Oh, this is tequila. So we also have tequila. We have some Pringles. There's some cute little coffee cups in there. I think this pulls out. This pulls out. Look at that. The proper glasses. You know, I'm very picky about what glass I drink with what beverage. Look how cute these are for espresso. Evan, do you see this? They have little espressos.
Yes, and it is the
cute.
And the Nespressos is the Virtuo, not the ones we have, the other ones.
Well, it's really small, but they're making little
But we need to get
creamer. And the bottom is, it looks like a Cuisinart. I'm not quite sure what that's for. Oh, maybe just a regular coffee if you don't want espresso. And then in here, this is the fridge. And everything is complimentary. You don't have to pay for any of this because it's all inclusive. We've got some M&Ms. We've got some beer that I've never heard of, Tecate. You've got some bottled water, which I know we'll be drinking. We've got some juices to mix with the vodka. I can make something with this. This is a cranberry juice. I can make a Cosmo. We've also got some Sprite and some, what's Cristal?
This is water.
Is it sparkly water? Might be sparkly water. And then we have like the real Coca-Cola bottles. Every time we've had Coca-Cola in Mexico, it actually really is good. We also have, sin azúcar. I've been learning Spanish. I know this means no sugar. So this is basically like a Diet Coke. And this one is also light. So this one also does not have sugar. So yeah, and anytime you want anything, they'll come and bring it if you're out, and they restock you every day. So yeah. They handed me a champagne as soon as I walked in the door, and now this beautiful room. So I'm going to go put on my suit and get into that pool.
Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. Bienvenidos a ella.
So that was a dinner that they had on the beach. We tried a couple of things, but we really want to check out the other side and what restaurants they have for dinner. But the singer and the violinist were amazing. I think that we're going to find that the entertainment at this resort is going to be extensive. There's no shortage of alcohol here. I have a lovely glass of wine that they served on the beach, and it was really nice. It's a little windy. I think this whole trip is going to be on the windy side, but the good news is that the winds are coming out of the south, so it's a warm wind. So, okay, we're going on to explore. Good morning and welcome to day 2. We are now on the other side of the resort, which is called the Breathless Resort, and this is where the buffet is, which was closed for dinner last night, which is why they had a buffet on the beach. That beach thing was very, very nice. So that's what we're off to right now. This is considered the breakfast buffet, and if you don't like breakfast, like my husband is not really a big breakfast person, everything is on there. I like omelets in the morning, and they have that omelet station where you saw the man making my omelet, and so I got a little bit of everything breakfast-wise, except for the chicken tamale. I like a tamale. So far, so good. This is the splash pool on the Breathless side. This is where we stayed this morning, where it was a little bit quieter before the main music came on. And we stayed in one of these cabanas, and it was so relaxing. And that's what we did this morning. Poor Pablo. He's met his demise. Okay, so here's a tip. The main bar that is right in front of Picante's, the Mexican restaurant, there's a young man there that makes an amazing espresso martini, and he puts on a little show, and it is so good. So that's a recommendation for you. We are ending our second night getting some gelato from here at the ice cream place. Got some cappuccino. It's very good. Who doesn't like ice cream? I'm gonna end this video here because tomorrow, apparently there's a foam party here. We're not 100% sure, but we heard that it might be on Fridays, and we've asked a bunch of people. The people here that work here said no. People who are guests here say yes. So I guess we're just gonna find out tomorrow. And we also have an appointment at the Hydro Spa, which is supposed to be fabulous. So on that note, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for tuning into Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Good night.